Hello students, welcome to the Kaizen Open Courseware YouTube channel. Kaizen Open Courseware YouTube channel is an official YouTube channel of Kaizen Public School Bhana. Today, in this class, we will read about chapter 3 of class 6. Chapter 3 of class 6, that is clauses. Clauses. So, what is a clause? What is a clause? Let us know about clause. Let us get started. It has a subject and predicate. It has a subject and predicate. Okay? Subject and predicate. It is a group of words. पहले होगा it is a group of words. It is a group of words. यह एक शब्दों का समूह होता है. It has a subject and predicate. इसके एक subject और predicate होता है. It has a complete sense by itself. It has a complete sense by itself. So, what is a clause? Clause is a group of words which has a subject and a predicate and it makes a complete sense. Okay, let us see through example. Example है हमारा Mother Teresa served the poor. Here Mother Teresa is subject. Mother Teresa is subject, and that served the poor is predicate. And also, it is a group of words. Mother Teresa served the poor. It is a group of words. It has a subject and predicate, and it makes a complete sense. Sense बनता है ना इसका? तो, so, understand what is a clause? Now we discuss more about, define what is a clause. We describe the clause. We describe the clause. Clause is a group of words. Clause is a group of words which has a subject and a predicate. And also it makes a complete sense. It makes a complete sense. ठीक है, दोबारा देखो. Clause. Clause is a group of words which has a subject and a predicate, and also it makes a complete sense. Clause क्या है हमारा? Clause एक group of words है. ठीक है, एक subject होता है, predicate भी होता है उसमें, और खुद का अपना एक अर्थ निकलता है. So clause is a group of words which has a subject and a predicate, and also it makes a complete sense by itself. So now we discuss how many types of clause are there. How many types of clause are there? So there are two type of clause. There are two type of clause. How many types of clause? Clause. ठीक है, types of clause. Types of clause. There are two types of clause. Two types. First है आपका main clause. First है आपका main clause, और second है आपका subordinate clause. Subordinate clause. Main clause is also known as independent clause. It is also known as independent clause, and subordinate clause is known as dependent clause. Dependent clause. So how many types of clause are there? There are two types of clause. First, main clause. Second, subordinate clause. Main clause is also known as independent clause. Subordinate clause is also known as dependent clause. As the name indicates, independent clause. So main clause is independent. Main clause is independent. It makes a complete sense by itself. It makes a complete sense by itself. There is no need of another clause. So what is main clause? Main clause is a group of words which has a subject and a predicate and which makes a complete sense by itself. Okay? Subordinate clause, as the name indicates, dependent clause. As the name indicates, dependent clause. So it has a subject and a predicate. It has a subject and a predicate, but it doesn't make a complete sense by itself. Complete sense by itself. It needs main clause. Main clause, okay? It depends upon main clause. So now we discuss main clause. Now we discuss about main clause. What is main clause? Main clause. A clause which has a subject and predicate okay, which has a subject and predicate and makes a complete sense by itself and makes a complete sense by itself. Main clause क्या हुआ? A clause which has a subject and a predicate and makes a complete sense by itself. For example, example वही रहेगा सेम आपका. मदर टेरेसा सर्व्ड द पुअर. मदर टेरेसा दिस इज द मेन क्लॉज. ठीक है. इट इज आल्सो नोन एज प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज. मेन क्लॉज को किस नाम से भी बोला जाता है? प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज या इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. सो क्लियर हुआ मेन क्लॉज. नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट अ सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज. नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट अ सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज. Subordinate clause. A clause which has a subject and predicate which has a subject and predicate but does not make complete sense by itself. This is the subordinate clause. For example, if they come today, if they come today, it has a subject, they come today, predicate, okay, but If they come today, it doesn't make a complete sense. If we write, if they come today, I will inform you. I will inform you. So this is a complete sense. Okay, this is a complete sense, and also a complete sentence which makes a complete sense. If they come today, I will inform you. So this is the type of subordinate clause. I hope you understand very well. Now try to do the given exercise of your book, that is of chapter 3.